evaluate this line integral where c is any path from 100 to 214, we have to search the vector point function from this integrand, right? So I can write this integrand as, can I write this as yz I cap plus xz j cap plus xy k cap, and taking the dot product with dx I cap plus dy j cap plus dz k cap. When we take the dot product, we get back the same integrand. So I can write this like this, and this complete becomes our vector point function, and this is nothing but dr vector, where r is equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap, right? It is your xyz plane. And since c is any path from 100 to 214, we can write the parametric equations from this. The parametric equations of the line joining these 2 points are, if I consider this to be x naught and this to be y naught and this to be z naught and this to be as x1 and this is y1 and this is z1. So I can write the parametric equations, that is x minus x naught, that is x minus 1, divided by x1 minus x naught, which is 2 minus 1, that is 1. And then this is equal to y minus y naught. Y naught is here 0, divided by y1 minus y naught, that is 1 minus 0. So that also gives 1. Further, it is equal to z minus z naught. Again, this is 0, divided by z1 minus z naught, that is 4 minus 0, which is 4. And taking this all to be equal to t, let's say. So from here we get the value of x in terms of t as t plus 1, and y is equal to t, and z is equal to 4t. And now writing this r vector in terms of t, so putting the values of x, y, z here, we get t plus 1 I cap plus t into j cap plus 4t into k cap. So therefore, dr vector becomes, because r is in terms of t, so I have to derivate this r vector with respect to t. So this is dt I cap plus dt j cap plus 4 into dt k cap, right? So this can also be written as dr vector dt is equal to I cap plus j cap plus 4k cap, right? What is our f vector, which we have searched? It is yz I cap plus xz j cap plus xy k cap. Writing also this f vector in terms of t, the product of yz is 4t square plus the product of xz becomes 4t into t plus 1, and the product of xy is t into t plus 1, right? Okay, I can write this further as 4t square I cap plus 4t square plus 4t into j cap and t square plus t into k cap. And now to find the integral of f vector and its dot product with dr vector, that is equal to, this integral is, because r is in terms of t, so I have to write this as dr vector, that is derivative of r vector with respect to t into dt. Writing the values of these now. So f vector is 4t square I cap plus 4t square plus 4t j cap plus t square plus t into k cap, and its dot product with derivative of r vector with respect to t, that is this I cap plus j cap plus 4k cap dt, right? Now taking the dot product, that becomes 4t square plus 4t square plus 4t plus 4 into t square plus t dt. But here we have to write the limits of t now. How to get the limits of t? What are the points given to us? It is from 100 to 214, right? Okay. And what is the value of y in terms of t? It is t only. And from here, y varies from 0 to 1, right? And because y is equal to t, so I can write the limits of t as from 0 to 1. So t also varies from 0 to 1, right? So it is from 0 to 1. Okay. This is 4t square, 4t square and 4t square. That will add up to give 12t square. And from here we get 4t. From here also I'm getting 4t, that is 8t. And then dt, right? So the integration is 12 into t cube over 3 plus 8 into t square over 2. So this cancelled out gives 4 and this gives again 4. And limits from 0 to 1. So this is 4 into t cube plus t square and the limits from 0 to 1. So this is 4 into, putting 1 over here, we get 1 cube plus 1 square, that is 2, minus putting 0 gives 0. So that is equal to 8, which is the required answer.